These are Brulee and Kahlua kittens. There's Toffee. Here's Kevin. And here's their little Halloween candy shop. And that's, I think that's Fanny that's going in there right now. Kevin, can you turn around? I didn't say flop over, Kevin. And there's Toffee. Toffee is staying here at iCandy. Kevin is going home with Dorothy. Going to be the little brother to an iCandy kitty named Hugh. Oops, she took a plunge. Hi, Kevin. They will be 12 weeks old, I think, next Tuesday. So they're growing up. And you know, I had to buy this Halloween cat house because it's a candy shop. And I figured that was perfect for iCandy. So if anybody sees any other holiday gear coming up that's a candy shop, let me know. Raisinets have to be in the game too. Hey, Raisinette. Kevin. That's my boy, Kevin. All right, till next time.